And they're all in line. They're off. Sweet Bernie on the inside is sent for early speed and goes out to the front. The running Wildcat is right alongside, and just to the outside of them comes Alejandro with early speed too. These three out the best. General Goody away running in fourth. Veritech is fifth. Drop It Now is sixth. In between horses, Yaya's Rules. Oconee Gold is down on the inside. Morador Yers is after that with 4.5 lengths to make up. Then it's another 4.5 lengths more back to Valerius, and the trailer Hold My Calls. 23-2 was the first quarter. Up the backstretch, it's running Wildcat, Sweet Bernie to the inside. These two matching strides on the lead. Oconee Gold right behind them with General Goody to the outside. Yaya's Rules fifth in between horses. Veritech goes up on the outside, running by Alejandro as they move into the far turn. Then Morador Yers along the rail and Drop It Now. These two are right together. They've got 4.5 lengths to make up. Valerius next and Hold My Calls. 46 flat for a half around the far turn. Sweet Bernie is the leader. Sweet Bernie from running Wildcat as they come down to the quarter pole. A couple of long shots up top. General Goody, Yaya's Rules right in behind them. Veritech is going 5 wide. The others have work to do. They're into the stretch, and it's Sweet Bernie. Sweet Bernie holding on to the lead, drifting out a furlong to run, but still clear. On the outside, General Goody, Yaya's Rules running Wildcat along the rail. It is Sweet Bernie and Francisco Masonette. And they're going to win it by 4 lengths. Then it was Yaya's Rules running Wildcat and General Goody. That's a 10-cent superfecta. The double of 10 and 2, 210.60. And the winning pick 3 on races 5, 6, and 7. Paid $1,925.80. Race 8 offers daily double exacta trifecta, superfecta, bet 3, and pick 4 wagering. Number 1, Clear Danger, the rider Francisco Torres. Scratch number 1A, Annie Russell. 9, Starship Pegasus. 14, Bodacious Barb. And 15, Queen of Mambo. Number 13 will run. In the 9th race, scratch numbers 4, 8, and 13. Number 14 will run. Rider changes 6.